amazing! I am Little Painter Mew Mew. I love helping others. Let's check out if anyone needs help. It looks like someone needs help. Big Bear, do you need help? There are weeds on my head. Can you help me remove them? Let me draw a pair of scissors and cut off the weeds. Magic Brush comes to help. Scissors. Try to draw the picture. Wow, that's amazing! Awesome! Thank you, Mew Mew. See you. See you. It looks like someone needs help. Do you need help, Santa Claus?
Oh no! Christmas is coming, and I still have lots of Christmas gifts to grow.
Don't worry, Santa Claus. I'll help you.
The Christmas tree is still a sapling. It needs the sun for growing.
Let me draw a big sun. Magic Brush comes to help. Sun. Dear friends, can you help me with drawing green? Yellow. Blue. Wow, that's amazing!
The sun spit out the sunshine elves. Tap to help the Christmas tree get sunlight. The Christmas tree also needs plenty of water.
Draw a little cloud and it will start raining. Magic Brush comes to help. Cloud. Dear friends, can you help me with draw red? Purple. Wow, that's amazing!
Let's water the Christmas tree. Wow, the gifts have grown out. What should we use to collect them?
me draw a gift box. Magic Brush comes to help. Gift box. Try to draw the picture. Yellow. Purple. Yellow. Green. Well done.
Little painter Mew Mew, thank you for helping me grow gifts.
You are welcome. It's my pleasure to help you. See you.